Welcome to HomePantry Pro. Today, we are diving deep into the world of precision cooking with the INKBIRD 2.4G WiFi Sous Vide Cooker ISV-101W. This isn't just another kitchen gadget, it's a tool that promises to elevate your culinary game, especially for those who appreciate perfectly cooked proteins every single time. We're going to break down its features, test its capabilities, and see if this white immersion circulator is the right addition to your kitchen arsenal. Let's start with what makes this INKBIRD stand out, and that's its Wi-Fi connectivity. The ability to monitor and control your sous vide cook from anywhere using the INKBIRD app is a significant convenience. You can set up your cooking process, keep an eye on the temperature and time, and even receive notifications when your food is ready. This is fantastic for busy individuals or anyone who wants the flexibility to step away from the kitchen without compromising their meal. The app also comes with USDA-approved meat menus, which is a thoughtful touch for beginners, offering preset temperatures and cooking times to simplify the process. And for those who like to tinker, you can save your own custom preferences, which then sync back to the device. Another standout feature is the smart pre-alarm system. This is more than just a timer. It allows you to set a cooking completion alarm, but also a target temperature alarm, ensuring you pull your food at the exact right moment. This helps prevent overcooking, a common pitfall with sous vide if you're not precisely monitoring. The app will send you notifications, freeing you up to do other things around the house or entertain guests, knowing that your dinner is being cooked to perfection. Precision is king in sous vide, and the ISV-101W boasts impressive temperature control. It offers 0.1 degrees Celsius or 0.3 degree Fahrenheit measurement accuracy and even includes a calibration function. This level of accuracy is crucial for achieving consistent results, especially for delicate dishes. The temperature range of 0 to 90 degrees Celsius, or 32 to 194 degrees Fahrenheit, covers everything from gentle poaching to more robust cooking. The secret behind this consistency is the 3D water circulation heating technology. It ensures that the water bath is heated evenly and consistently throughout, eliminating hot or cold spots that can lead to uneven cooking. The user interface on the device itself is also worth mentioning. The TFT screen is bright and informative, providing clear details about the cooking progress, including time, temperature, and food type. It's designed for a wider viewing angle, making it easy to see from across the kitchen. Adjusting settings is straightforward thanks to the rotary knob, which offers a more tactile and convenient way to navigate through options compared to fiddly buttons. You can even create and save cooking programs directly on the device, which, as mentioned, sync seamlessly with the app. Aesthetically, INKBIRD has really stepped up its game with the ISV-101W. It features a clean, milky white exterior with a stylish gold-plated ring accentuating the screen. The hollow patterns on the heating tube are not just decorative, they are functional, helping water to enter the tube for efficient heating. It's a significant design evolution from previous INKBIRD models and looks quite elegant on a countertop. Safety is also a key consideration. The ISV-101W has a smart alarm system that can alert you if the water level in your pot is too high or too low. This prevents the device from running dry or overheating. Furthermore, there's a safety mechanism that activates if the temperature probe malfunctions, preventing potential cooking failures or damage to the unit. The ability to schedule your cooking to start at a specific time through the app adds another layer of convenience and peace of mind. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, the Wi-Fi connectivity and app control are excellent, offering true remote monitoring and control. The precision of the temperature control is top-notch, ensuring consistent and perfect results. The smart alarms, especially the pre-alarm for completion, are a fantastic feature for avoiding overcooking. The ease of use, both on the device and through the app, makes it accessible for cooks of all levels. The design is modern and attractive, and the safety features are robust. However, there are a couple of things to consider. While the app is generally good, like any smart device, occasional connectivity hiccups can occur. Also, the 1000-watt heating element, while powerful, might take a little longer to bring a very large volume of water up to temperature compared to some higher wattage models. It's important to have realistic expectations for the heating time based on the volume of your water bath. In conclusion, the INKBIRD ISV-101W WiFi Sous Vide cooker is a compelling option for anyone looking to invest in a smart and precise sous vide machine. It offers a blend of advanced technology, user-friendly design, and crucial safety features. Whether you're a seasoned home chef or just starting your sous vide journey, the convenience of remote monitoring and the accuracy of its temperature control make this a valuable addition to your kitchen. Link in the description.